Hey, this is Dad Random, and what I would like to show you today is a dash camera by a company called AZDOME, and AZDOME makes a 3-channel dash camera. So this one has 2 channels, one forward, one in cabin, and the other one is in the back. So you can basically take 3 videos all at once. It has a 3.19-inch screen and records in front 4K. You can set it up for 24/7 protection. So if you basically hit the car or you tap on the vehicle, it will start recording. It has built-in Wi-Fi and it has a very basic app. This does have GPS data, and the camera is a super night vision camera, and that just means that it will highlight or brighten up dark footage, backlight it. These cameras are about on Amazon somewhere around $199. So this thing has 3-channel recording, 4K resolution, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, and it does have 3 different parking modes you can set it in. So this is a feature-packed camera. It's pretty much what a lot of cameras like this one have. This one is detachable, so you can basically disconnect, and you can see that that is an HDMI. So you can disconnect the front-facing camera. AZDOME M550 is very versatile. It's feature rich. It's got a lot of what you really want in a dash camera. I prefer cameras that have the front facing camera if I can get it. And like I said, it is nice. You can disconnect this anytime you'd like. And the recording quality, depending on the reflection and the tintedness of your windows, is very, very good. So for AZDOME, all right, Dad Random, the M550MAX. All right, it is a full feature dash camera, and this sucker does a wonderful job for people that like to have that car security. The AZDOME 550MAX is versatile, feature rich, and it has exceptional performance with a pretty good value.